Good day, guys, and welcome back to another episode. If this is your first time stopping in, please consider subscribing to the channel. But in today's video, we are going to be doing a review of Shiney's Bullshine Trim Restore. So this review is going to be on the Shiney's Bullshine Trim Restore. I have some black plastic. I also have some gray plastic. It is oxidized. It's not looking its best. So we're going to be trying this out, seeing how it works, how easy it is to use, and the results you get. I'll just go over a few things that they say on the bottle. We'll go out, we'll check it out. I'm going to do some 50-50s for you guys. So on the bottle it says, Shiney's Bullshine Trim Restorer brings the life back to your bumpers and trim. Restores faded bumpers and trim to a like-new finish. UV protectors help your bumpers and trim weather the elements with no streaking when wet or in the rain. So that is really good to know. I do like hearing that. We're definitely going to test that out, and we're going to find out if there's any streaking or anything like that with water. The directions are very simple and very easy. It just says shake well, like you want to do with pretty much all of your products. Apply by hand on a clean applicator pad. Spread product evenly over bumper and trims. If there's any excess, wipe with a microfiber towel. So that is literally very simple, easy directions, and as always, Shiney's products are all made in the USA, so another huge benefit and plus. I do like seeing that as well. So let's go ahead, head out, let's check out this plastic, let's see how this stuff works, how easy it is, and let's hop into this review of the Shiney's Bullshine Trim Restore. So as you guys know, this is my 2004 Chevy Silverado that we'll be doing this on. This is the plastic trim here that you can see. It is very faded and oxidized, along with the mirrors. The plastic on the mirrors is as well. So we're going to be doing the whole bumper. We'll come over here where you can see it a little bit better in the sun here. Also, here is the mirror on the passenger side. The sun's hitting it really well personally. It is hot, so I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not, but we will find out. But this is the plastic. As you can see, it is oxidized a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and test this stuff out and see how it works. So as mentioned, shake the product up, which I've already been shaking it. Here is an applicator. It's just a cheap applicator I got at Walmart. Figured it'd be good enough. We'll just do a little bit. I'm sure that's probably way more than enough for this small area. What I always like to do is kind of get it worked into the applicator a little bit, thin it out in there so you don't have a huge blob that you're working with. And then basically, as any kind of a trim restore or dressing, just rub it into the plastic, get everything completely covered. One thing that I can see right away that I'm liking is it is self-leveling very, very well. I do like that a lot. It is not leaving any streaks or anything. This plastic is textured, so you do want to make sure you're working it into the textured part. But that is literally all there is to putting the trim restore on the plastic. And to the touch, it is not leaving behind any oily residue. They say you can take a clean microfiber if there's any excess, and basically you're just going to take it, kind of buff it down. But it has brought this plastic back to looking just nice, rich, dark color. Peel the tape, and there is the 50-50. Very impressed with that. I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer so we can see that a little bit better. But here is the 50-50 on that plastic trim. So as you can see, it has brought it back to looking like new. I do like that a lot. Very easy to use, levels extremely easy. We are in the shade over here. I have that mirror on the other side, so let's hop over there and see how it does, being hot and being directly in the sun. So here we are on the passenger side. We got the sun, so you can see it a little bit better. This mirror is definitely warm to the touch. So I'm kind of curious to see how it's going to self-level. Sorry, getting in the camera a little bit. There is the blob that I'm putting on the applicator again. Kind of work it in just a little bit. We did go on a little bit heavy with it. Not a big deal. It is working into the plastic really well. It is not streaking, and it is self-leveling again very well. I don't see any difference working with this in the sun on a hot surface. It looks like it is doing extremely well. And there is pulling hopefully you can see the little bit of black in the pad. It is pulling the oxidation out of that plastic. And I always like, with any kind of a dressing, I always like taking the clean microfiber, basically just coming back over, because I think it just does help level it if there is a spot that you don't see or anything. So that is something that I like to do. Let's get this tape peeled off. And there's the 50-50 of the mirror. I'll bring you in a little bit closer. So here is that 50-50 like I was telling you guys. This stuff has done a really good job. Get it in a little bit closer so you can see it has leveled out extremely well. So this stuff is very easy to use, does a great job. Let's get a little bit of water and see if the water washes it off or makes any streaks in it. So we're gonna do it on the mirror here, doing the water test, because we are out in the sun on this side and we can see it the best. We'll just get a nice little mist of water. As you guys can see there, it is repelling the water, as to this side that is not repelling the water. So it's doing a very good job of adding just a little bit of protection on that mirror. Let's hit it again with a little bit more water. So as you can still see, it is still repelling the water. It's doing a very good job compared to this other side. You are seeing streaking in here where the water is trying to absorb into the plastic. And there's not any streaking or anything on this side personally. I'm just going to take another microfiber towel. I'm going to wipe this mirror off. So as you can see on this side, there is not any of the trim restore in it, because it is not turning this black. So you guys know that this is a clean, dry towel. And now, still looking at that, we do not have any streaking in this. We don't have any water spots in it. It has done a really, really good job of bringing this plastic back to looking like new and not washing off with just water. So as you can see, I have a tape line here. This is the gray plastic that I was talking about. I just want to show you guys with the gray plastic. Same thing. Just put it on your applicator and massage it into the plastic. It is definitely making the gray look even better. As you can see right here, hopefully in the bumper, I'll actually come up here and do that. So you can see that I have got some of this trim restore on the bumper, leaving a bit of a haze. So we will see. I'm just going to take a microfiber that I got, that I was using to level anything out on the plastic, and it comes right off the chrome with ease. So we got that gray done. Remove the tape line, and as you can see there, it has darkened that gray up quite a bit as well, and it looks really nice. I'm just kind of curious. I want to show you guys on the mirrors that we did. So as you can see, the mirror here has turned out really nice. I did get a little bit on the glass. See if I can get the sun to hit it just right. I'm going to come in with this. As you can see there, hopefully. Sorry guys, it is really hard out today to see the camera. Okay, so right there we can see it. We can see where I've rubbed the applicator, and just like that, that's how easy it comes off the glass too. So we went ahead and did the whole mirror. Of course, I haven't finished up this plastic here, but there is the gray, there is the before and after. I'm gonna go around and do all that after the video. But you can see this whole front piece on the bumper is all turned out really nice. It's just a nice, deep, rich black color, looking new again. So that has turned out really sharp as well. And here is the mirror on the driver's side. All right, so my thoughts on the Shiney's Bull Shine Trim Restore. I really like this product. Definitely a 2 thumbs up product. It's $12.99 on Shiney's website, and this is for 16 ounces. So $12.99 for 16 ounces, pretty good size bottle. Personally, that's not bad at all. Things I like about it, it levels extremely easy. It does not start streaking from water. I have had some dressings before that do streak with water, and that does get kind of annoying. One thing to remember with this trim restore or a dressing, anything like that, it's kind of like a tire shine or a tire dressing. It's going to last a little while. It is not a permanent thing. So this is something good to throw on after you wash and you're just doing a detail on your car or your pickup, whatever it is that you got. And you're just trying to keep any of the plastic trim protected, because this does have UV protectants in it, and hydrated to keep it looking its best. So if your plastic is very oxidized and looks really bad, it's probably going to take a couple coats, and it's not going to be permanent, but it will make it look good. And if you keep up with it, personally, I believe it will last longer and longer, because that trim is starting to be hydrated with this, and it is being protected by UV rays. And then, as you saw with the water, it's repelling water as well. Very easy to use. You just massage it in. As you guys saw, the 50/50s, they speak for themselves. I'm super happy with it. Smell wise, I didn't mention anything about smell. It just kind of smells like just a cleaner. It doesn't have like a fruity smell or any kind of crazy smells. Doesn't have a horrible smell, so that's good. So very easy to use. Does a great job of making the trim look like brand new, and does not start streaking from water. So what's not to love? $12.99 for 16 ounces. Definitely a great product. I am not sponsored by Shiney's. I paid for this product. I got this product out of a Shiney's mystery box. That's why I'm doing the review, bringing it to you guys to kind of showcase this product for you guys, so you can see what it's like if you were curious about it or had any questions about it. But I definitely appreciate you stopping in, checking out the video. Hopefully it was informative for you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Maybe this is something that you're curious about or curious about using. Maybe use another trim, dressing, or restorer product. But I would strongly recommend picking some of this up, giving it a shot. As you saw, it worked very well. But like I said, thank you so much for stopping in. Thank you for supporting the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of it, what you think of the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. All of your guys' help, the thumbs up, everything helps the channel grow. The channel is growing. It's just a nice, slow, steady pace, and I have no problem with that at all. And you guys are giving me some great feedback, and you're liking the content as well, and I really do appreciate that. But thank you again for stopping in, and I'll catch you all on the next one. And until then, take care.